Good morning friends, and once again welcome back to my channel Car Tech. This is the new Jaguar XF 2021 that has been revealed in the international market. So today we are going to take a closer look about the design changes and specification features on offer over the previous generation model. So now let's start the review by talking about the design of this car. The new XF gets updated new front bumper with larger air intakes, a wider radiator grille, and revised LED headlights with double J DRLs similar to those which you see on XJs. The dynamic turn indicators are optional, and you get the leaper badge on the fender of the car. The higher R dynamic versions get 19-inch alloy wheels, which is an upgrade over the 18-inch standard wheels. At the back of the car, the new XF gets wider rear bumper with body colored rear upper valance as well as blacked out dark tinted LED tail lights. The car definitely looks more appealing and dynamic, and it is loaded with high-tech features. From the side it looks even more sportier, as you can see. I love the design of XF. So now let's talk about the engine choices and transmission on offer. The powertrain options are similar to the XE. What's new is the electrified 2-liter 4-cylinder Ingenium diesel engine, which gets augmented 48-volt MHEV system that delivers 204 PS of power and 430 Nm of torque, which is enough to do a 0 to 100 in just 7.1 seconds and 7.5 seconds for the all-wheel drive Sportback model. An 8-speed automatic transmission employs either rear wheels or all 4 wheels to put the power down. So now let's talk about the interior upgrades over the previous generation model. You get to see a bulk of interior upgrades over the previous generation. The Jaguar's drive control is given a metallic finish now. The center console has been completely redesigned, featuring a new 11.4-inch high-resolution curved glass display with the latest PV Pro infotainment system. Just like XE, it supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as software over the air SOTA updates. A 15-watt smartphone wireless charging tray with signal booster is optional. A dual SIM setup also ensures consistent cellular connectivity. The XF gets a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument panel, a new steering wheel design, clear side digital rear view display, new open pore wood trimming, and several seat upholstery options. Active noise cancellation comes standard for the first time. Extras include second generation wearable activity key, Jaguar's latest driver assistant technology, 3D surround camera system, clear exit monitor, and adaptive cruise control. In terms of space, the Jaguar's cabin is very spacious. The seats are very comfortable, and every surface like switches, knobs, gear lever feels quality. The rivals of XF is Audi A6, Mercedes E-Class, and BMW 5 Series. As before, this car comes in both saloon and Sportback version. The expected price to be around $45,000 US, that is 61 lakh rupees Indian rupees. I hope you enjoyed the video. And what do you think about the design of this car? Let us know in the comment section, and do follow me on Instagram at CarTechCars, and subscribe to our channel to get these kind of regular automobile updates and amazing automobile facts. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.